Okay, so solve linear equation in one variable involving absolute value. So just to remember what is absolute value. So we have a symbol like two bars. Okay, yung bar na yan. The absolute number of a number is A written as absolute value. Absolute number, absolute value of A. It represents the distance between A and 0 on a number line. So that A, okay, it's represent a number, a real number or integers. It's either negative or positive number. An absolute value equation is an equation that contains an absolute value expression. The equation absolute value of x equals to a. We will having we have two solutions, x equals to a and x equals to negative a. So here, so to solve linear equation in one variable involving absolute value, we will be create two equation. Okay, so how to solve linear equation in one variable involving absolute value. So let us have an example. So absolute value of x plus 7 equals to 14. First step is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. You need to do two equation. Equation number 1, then equation number 2. Equation number 1, so x plus 7, just remove the 2 bar or the absolute value, equals to 14. Just like you copy the equation. Kx plus 7 equals to 14. The other side, the equation number 2, you will change the sign of the 14. So x plus 7 equals negative 14. Did you see the difference? Equation number 1, positive 14. Equation number 2, negative 14. Now, next, find the value of x of equation number 1. So x, to find the value of x, you need to transpose positive 7 to the other side. Once you transpose a number or a variable or a term, the sign will be changed. So 14 will become negative 7, right? So x was 14 minus 7. The answer is 7. If you want to check if your answer is correct, so substitute the given value of x to your equation. So the value of x is 7. So 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 7 plus 7, 14 equals to 14. It means correct. The value of x is correct. Next, equation number 2. Find the value of x of equation number 2. X. So transpose positive 7 to the other side. So x equals negative 14 equals, minus 7. Because we transpose positive 7 to the other side, it will be negative 7. Now, combine like terms. Same sign, negative 14, negative 7. What you will do, you need to add it. So add the number, then copy the sign. Negative 21 is the value of x. If you want to check it, substitute the value of x to your equation. Negative 21 plus 7 equals negative 14. unlike sign, you need to subtract it, then copy the sign after the bigger number, that is negative 21. So negative 21 minus 7, the answer is negative 14 equals negative 14. So correct. And I guess, can I proceed to the next example? No violent reaction. Okay, wala. Clear. Next, next equation. Another example, 2x, absolute value of 2x minus 5 equals to 9. So equation number 1, then equation number 2. Your equation number 1, just copy 2x minus 5 equals to 9. Then 2x minus 5 equals negative 9. Here, positive 9, then the other equation, negative 9. So, find the value of x. So, equation number 1, 2x. You need to transpose negative 5 to the other side. It will be 9. Hirap magsulat. 9 plus 5. So, 2x equals 9 plus 5, 14. How to find the value of x? I need x only. You need to divide both sides by 2. Sir, saan nanggaling si 2? Okay? Just copy the numerical coefficient here, then divide both sides. Copy the numerical coefficient, that is 2. So, to cancel it, divide both sides by 2. So, cancel, it will be x only. Say it will be 2 divide 2 is 1. So, automatic, there's imaginary 1 here. So, equals 14 divided 2, 7. If you want to check your answer, if is it correct, 2, substitute the given value, the value of x, 2 times 7 minus 5 equals to 9. So 2 times 7, 14 minus 5. So 14 minus 5, 9 equals to 9. Correct. Next, 2x minus 5 equals to negative 9. So find the value of x. So transpose negative 5 to the other side. So 2x minus 5 equals to negative 9. Transpose negative 5 to the other side. So negative 9 plus 5. So 2x. Negative 9 plus 5. The answer is negative 4. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel. So x equals negative 4 divide 2. The answer is negative 2. Check if your answer is correct. Substitute the given value. So 2 times negative 2 minus 5 equals negative 9. So 2 times negative 2, the answer is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 5 equals to negative 9. It's too hard. So negative 4 minus 5. So negative 4 minus 5, the answer is negative 9. Negative 9 equals to negative 9. So correct. Okay. Clear. Let us proceed to another example. So what if the given example is like this? So 4x plus 3 equals to 3 minus x. So again, step number 1, equation number 1, then equation number 2. So 4x plus 3 equals to 3 minus x. Equation number 2, just change the sign. Okay, so 4x plus 3 equals, so positive 3 here, the negative x, so it will be negative 3 positive x. Okay, so go to equation number 1, you need to find the value of x. So 4x plus 3 equals to 3 minus x. Again, I said, diba, last Sunday, all the term with a variable x, you need to change to transpose it to the left side, and all the constant number on the right side. So 4x, negative x transpose to the other side, it will be positive x. So positive 3 transpose to the other side equals 3, okay, minus 3. Okay, so 4x plus x is 5x. So 3 minus 3, it will be 0. Divide both sides by 5. So x equals to 0. Right? 0 divide 5, 0. If you want to check it, um, uh, 0 times 4 is 0. So matitira is positive 3 equals 3 minus 0. So 3 lang din. So 3 equals to 3. So check pa rin. So to the other side, equation number 2, 4x. So transpose positive x to the other side. It will be negative x equals, so positive 3 transpose to the other side. So negative 3 minus 3. So 4x minus x, the answer is 3x. Negative 3 minus 3. So same sign, negative 3, you need to add it. So copy the sign, negative. So 3 plus 3, 6. So the answer is negative 6. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel. So x equals negative 6 divide 3. The answer is negative 2. You want to check it. So 4 times negative 2, 8 plus 3. 4 times negative 2, negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. So negative 3 minus 2. Kasi the value of x is negative 2, right? Negative 3 minus 2, the answer is negative 5. So correct. Check pa din. Check na check. Okay? So, another example. What if the example is like this? Absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals to absolute value of 4x plus 9. Okay, this is what you will do. Equation number 1. Then equation number 2. So copy 2x minus 1 equals 4x plus 9. Then to the other side, so 2x minus 1, so it will be negative 4x minus 9. Okay. Then find the value of x. So equation number 1. So transpose negative 1 to the other side. Positive 4x transpose to the other side. 2x, 4x transpose, it will be negative 4x equals, so positive 9. Negative 1 transpose to the other side, it will be positive 1. So 2x minus 4x, negative 2x. 9 plus 1, 10. Divide both sides by negative 2. Cancel. So 10 divide negative 2, the answer is negative 5. If you want to check it, substitute the value of x to your equation. Next, equation number 2. Okay, find the value of x. Negative 1 transpose to the other side. Negative 4x transpose to the other side. So 2x. Negative 4x transpose to the other side, it will be positive 4x equals negative 9 plus 1. So 2x plus 4x, the answer is 6x. Negative 9 plus 1, it will be negative 8. Divide both sides by 6. Cancel. So negative 8 over 6, right? Or lowest term. Make it lowest term. So what is the lowest term? Divide. So it will be negative 2 over 3, right? So divide numerator denominator by 2. Oh, sorry. So 4 pala. Negative 4. Other negative 4 over 3. Divide numerator denominator by 2. Negative 8 divide 2, negative 4. 6 divide 2, positive 3. If you want to check it, just substitute the given value to your equation. Okay, last example. What if the equation is like this? 4 absolute value of 2x minus 1 minus 2 equals to 2. What you will do? Okay, first step. Okay, first step 4. Okay, 4 absolute value of 2x minus 1 negative 2 equals to 10. Transpose negative 2 to the other side. It will be 4 absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals to 10 plus 2. Right? So it will become 4 absolute 2x minus 1 absolute value of 12. Now, you need to cancel this 4 here. Divide both sides by 4. Cancel. So it will be 2x. Absolute value of 2x equals to 3. Right? So now, next step, do equation number 1, equation number 2. Equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1. Then equation number 2. So absolute value of 2x minus 1 equals to 3. So copy 2x minus 1 equals to 3. So find the value of x transpose negative 1 to the other side. So 2x equals 3 plus 1. So 2x, 3 plus 1, 4. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel. So x equals to 2. Equation number 2, 2x minus 1. So it will become negative 3. Okay? So find the value of x. 2x minus, so transpose negative 1. Okay, 2x equals to negative 3 plus 1. So 2x equals negative 3 plus 1. The answer is negative 2. Then divide both sides by 2. So x equals to negative 2 divided 2, negative 1. Okay? Clear? Okay, that's all for today.